basics. So in the machine gun form, don't worry about aiming. Like, aim for safety, don't aim for accuracy. Have their hand on your back and they'll be right there. So you have a malfunction, keep the gun pointed down range, no matter what.
Right.
Okay. Yeah.
Well, yeah, they have very good ice cream there.
Oh, 2 seconds. I'm bringing a loader. I like it.
This thing is like.
If you can keep the sights on the target, manipulating the trigger like that, very gently just to the break point, will allow you to remain that barrel aligned with the target. You get a lot better hits when you start paying attention to your accuracy on the targets.
All
right, fire discipline.
You want the fire truck?
It works so well, and I've trained I don't know how many SWAT operators and other guys with this technique, and none of them had any malfunctions from it. Technique is to come all the way over the top of the weapon with a monkey fist and pull down, and you're pulling the weapon back into your shoulder tightly with your firing hand like this. So with that, the weapon is really, really stable. You see that? Mm-hmm. Now watch this. And watch the muzzle for 2 or 3 rounds. Just one thing I wanted to share, just so you guys will have it.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. If the